washer right here. So it's a GE. I'm pretty sure customer said it ain't locking. Brought a lid switch with me. Not a lid switch, but a door lock. Y'all know how it go. 3 screws. Tell me, baby. Hard to do it. I'm trying to hold this camera so I don't never do no videos. Thank God for this magnetic bit though. It's just set right here. Lock over here. Bam. When I get back. Alright. Unscrew my door lock. Can y'all see what I'm doing? I can't see. Magnetic, thank you, Jesus. Hit that one. Yeah. Hopefully it's the first call complete. Put these screws on here. Alright. Alright, I can't keep holding the phone though, y'all. That's what I'm gonna do. I don't know how to edit it. I don't know how to edit it where it come back in, but this is what I'm doing. So just showing a little bit of work. Got to start making some videos for everybody, help them out. Hopefully this is something. I guess I'll put in the comments if I got it fixed or not. All right, see y'all in part 2 of the video. Got the lid locking. It was easy. And I think somebody already put one on too. Pretty sure, because that cord used to be taped. And it was taped. So, slam the door. Got to replace the lid lock. All right, fellas.